Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about organizing corners of kitchen countertop. But we will try to utilize the whole space wherever we are organizing, and we'll try to do vertical organizing so that there will be renter friendly and space saving organization. So let's start the video. सो हियर आई एम यूजिंग स्टैकेबल ऑर्गेनाइज़र. आपके पास अगर कोई स्टूल हो या ओल्ड स्टडी टेबल हो, you can utilize that also. So here by using stackable organizer, I will keep one oil bottle, sugar, salt, tea containers and spices. Here I have a space below the rack, so I will utilize that. तो मैं यहाँ पे एक बर्नी रख रही हूँ जिसमें तूर दाल रखा हुआ है और उसके साथ ही मैं रखूँगी एक ग्राइंडर एंड स्पाइस बॉक्स. विंडो सील में स्पेस है तो वहाँ पे एक लाइव प्लांट रखूँगी. I have to utilize vertical space. So here I am using wall, and with the help of adhesive hook, I will hang some of the items. In this way, you have seen how I managed to organize so many things in one corner doing vertical organization. सेकेंड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में मैं ये दिखाना चाहती हूँ कि एक ट्रे को यूज़ करके आप अपनी सारी ऑयल बॉटल्स को ऑर्गेनाइज कर सकते हैं. और मैंने यहाँ पे एक और ऑर्गेनाइज़र यूज़ किया है अपनी डेली एसेंशियल्स को ऑर्गेनाइज करने के लिए. यू कैन चेंज योर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन अकॉर्डिंग टू योर डेली नीड्स. Now by using this rack, I will organize all oil bottles, but for that I am using one liner before keeping oil dispenser. This is the old dining table mat that I cut according to the size of this rack, and below I will keep my other essentials. In between, want to share something about Mera Link by Bulbul shopping website. I bought this organizer from Bulbul, very functional and multi-purpose basket. Like this, you will get a lot of product and other organizers in a very reasonable rate. You will get COD, free delivery and 5 days return policy with lots of discount and deal of the day. Just download Bulbul app and Enjoy hassle-free shopping. You will get app link in video description. Moreover, you can place your order from Mira link. That link is also in description. For any queries and placing order, you can use WhatsApp number given on screen and in description. Just check the description for all the details. Here also I try to keep all my daily needs in one place and done vertical organization by using railing hooks and hang utensils. Or you can use this type of strong and steady rack where you can keep oil dispensers and other containers. Or make healthy corner by keeping dry fruits and fresh fruits. I hope this video will be helpful if you have a small counters to organize your things. Before signing off, just a reminder that don't forget to enjoy shopping from Mira Link by Bulbul Shop. I will meet you soon in the next video. Till then, bye and take care.